السلام علیکم دوستو، یہ دیکھیں پولیس کی وین آئی ہے. یعنی ادھر وہ نمائش لگی ہوئی ہے. بچے آتے ہیں، ٹوپیاں پہنتے ہیں، جیکٹیں پہنتے ہیں، اور یہ پولیس مین اتنے فرینڈلی ہوتے ہیں کہ رات کو میں آ رہا تھا، میں غلطی سے نیند کی وجہ سے غلط ٹریک پہ چلا گیا. وہ پولیس والے نے لائٹیں جلائی اور مجھے پوچھا آپ نے کہاں جانا ہے. میں نے کہا جلسہ سالانہ. اس نے اسی وقت کہا کہ آپ غلط ٹریک پہ جا رہے ہیں، آپ اپنی گاڑی سیدھے ٹریک پہ چلائیں. یعنی اتنی محبت سے پیش آتے ہیں. اس کی وجہ کیا ہے؟ جماعت محبتیں بانٹتی ہے. صرف یہی نہیں کہ لو فار آل کہتی ہے، مگر وہ محبتیں بانٹتی ہے. Hello sir, what happened? Why make stall here? I have looked, many people come, youngsters come, and he take jacket, he take topi, cap.
Yeah, so it's the Jelsah, isn't it? It's the first one I've done here. We've been here a few years prior, and we've got a table here if you want to come and visit us. We've got some uniforms, we've got some documents and literature if you want to read it, and opportunities with Hampshire Constabulary.
Yeah, and sir, I think this is very good job, very nice job. But yesterday I have happened. I am driving and I have wrong track, for example, and one police van come. He say you are stopped. When I am stopped, he say where are you come? I say I am come from Jilsah. He says Jilsah Saalana. I say yes. He say okay, you are wrong track, opposite side now. You drive right. What happened? I say I have no good sleeping. Because Jalsa, he nothing say, very friendly. He say when go to Jalsa is near.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice one. Yeah.
Yeah. So the Jelsah is today and tomorrow, isn't it? I think.
Yeah, today and more. And sir, I have many times look here. British police is very nice, very lovely. Many times as he stopped me. And when for example, I have no document, sometimes he said no problem, he call and everything is when okay, then he say can you go, but next time carefully, and very lovely British police.
Yeah, so the British police way of dealing with things is slightly different from most of the world. We're not armed. We don't routinely carry around firearms and weapons.
Yeah.
We often try and find the best solution, and of course, most of the police work is actually trying to help people.
Yeah, help. I have looked help. I have many times experience. British police is lovely and helpful. For example, when I make wrong, then a punishment also sometime. But
yes, I mean if you do something that is wrong, then we'll have to come and deal with that. There's a law. We of course have to enforce the law. That's one of our roles.
Yeah.
But the other role that we have, of course, at the other side is helping and supporting people. And if they're genuinely worried or got something wrong, then we can try and rectify that with them. And we in this country we work far more with everyone than we do as us and them.
I think you are a young man when Lady Diana is alive. Have you looked Lady Diana?
I remember her funeral, yes.
Really?
Yes, I do.
Really?
Yeah, I wasn't very old at the time, but I do remember.
And you say hello or something with handshake?
No, I've never met her. I've met. I was on during Margaret Thatcher, the Prime Minister. I was on duty on her funeral.
Yeah, very nice. And you have a whole long experience policeman.
Yes. So I joined the police nearly 18 years ago now. So
18 years?
18, yeah.
18.
So it's been a bit of time. I've been in Hampshire for 1 year, and before that I was in London and in Greater Manchester as well.
Yeah, I have looked in sometime in near Wimbledon. Every day policemen, for example, going with horse, women and men is.
Oh yes, mounted. Yeah, so certain police forces do still have a mounted branch.
Oh,
we don't have one.
Different branch.
It's a different branch. Yeah, it's mounted. So they call them mounted police. Mounted branch. We haven't got them, I don't think, in Hampshire. But certain police, I know the Met do. They have their own mounted section.
Yeah, and when, for example, our country sometimes police man is very, very good foods and very, very healthy. But here policeman is smart. Army is also smart. Pakistan army is very strong, smart.
Yeah, we're certainly not an army.
Yeah.
No, we're certainly not.
And policemen also everyday exercise.
Well, I'd like to say yes, but
Yeah, but
the answer's no. Some are fitter than others.
yeah, but very nice. Here very lovely people come, children come. Last year, my children also come, 2 sons. He make also pictures with caps, with jackets, and everything, no? Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Lovely. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
your time.
Thank you.
take care.
Thank